Aventador S is the follower of Aventador, a big success of a Lamborghini. And in this car we have decided, first of all, to increase the power, the output of the car to 740 horsepower. And we have introduced for the first time in a production car the rear wheel steering system of Lamborghini and a completely new system of controlling of the chassis that we call LDVA. Powertrain is a heart of our car, and for this reason we treat it in a special way. We have our V12 naturally aspirated that is still able to generate much more power of what was the previous version. We achieve a 740 horsepower with an increase of the volumetric efficiency, some optimization of the cam phase, and also an increase of the speed of the engine. But we work also in the powertrain, in the gearbox, introducing a completely new software that realize a better matching between a gearbox and engine, and in this way we are able to smooth the shifting in the strada mode and to have much more faster and precise shifting in sport and in corsa. Rear wheel steering that we apply in Aventador S, first of all, is a system that covers all the range of functionality of the car, and we have two different modes. One is for the normal speed of the car, that is due to the counter-phase movement of the rear wheel compared to the front, is able to reduce the virtual wheelbase of more or less 500 millimeters. In this way, the car is much more agile, is much more reactive in the change of line and in change of the dynamic behavior of the car. When we go at high speed, we move the rear wheel in the same direction of the front wheel, and in this way we increase the wheelbase of 1 meter, and in this way the car is much more stable and you can go really at maximum speed also in the big cornering that you can have in a highway or in some track. About all these new features is important to be able to control, and for this reason we have introduced this new system that we call LDVA, that is a system that from an electronic point of view is able to control all the parameters of the car, starting from the steering, from the powertrain, from the suspension, and also from the rear wheel steering. And after moving also in ABS and SP, means traction control and the control of the grip of every wheel, is able to react in a fast way as possible, controlling all what happened in the chassis, means to guarantee to the driver that is able really to achieve the best performance of the car in a best and safe way as possible.